I attended the Ophir Tintic Western Model Trade Show in January 2023, and I recorded some videos of just different things of what's going on around the show, and just wanted to share them with you. And here is the Utah Lego Users Group, and they've got a huge train set plus a lot of other Lego things going on. Oh, there's the roller coaster and drop thing. There's the Eiffel Tower right here. Lots going on here at the there's the carnivals going on right there. A lot of good things going on here in the Lego world here. Oh, there's Hogwarts right there. Hagrid on his flying cycle. Here is a Lego department. And you can see people inside their apartment right there. Pretty cool. This right here is part of the Utah Lego Users. Here's some more of the train from the Utah Lego Group. Got a tree going up there. Oh, look at that. They even got a little sign that changes it right there.
Those will look good next to my little train set. Yeah.
Hey, lift your bag up. Pick your bag up. Pick your bag.
There's a whole bunch more Lego City Lego buildings. Got a complete city, and there is Statue of Liberty. And they've got a huge, all the Lego trains going fast right around here. Oh, there's Santa coming through right there on his reindeer train. Here I am at the Ophir Tintic Western Railroad show, and this is an O-scale track right here. Oil rigs going right there. Here's an HO scale. I've tried. This goes all the way around. As you can see, it goes all the way around the entire area right there. Really big. And they've got just different sections that they've done, and they talk about each different section as it goes across there, of how they did it, how they built it, and so how they build sceneries and different things. So here's some detailed scenery, as you can see right there. This is called Eastwood Ravine. And then here's some forest, how they built this.
I'd also like to point out that we haven't been up on the stage. Look at the larger railway trains up